Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see more of ERD's repairs. ERD received this MC300 loop controller out of a John Deere crawler dozer in a bad shape. We had completely removed all the built-up corrosion and rebuilt the entire unit before we could even get it to respond. These Danfoss units are used on a variety of machines and act as transmission controls, where the unit monitors the power of the engine and can open and close appropriate servo valves. Our technicians have extensive experience in working on these units, and if you are having issues with your MC300 unit, reach out today for a quote.